Hi, I'm Dr. Alberto Sheikh from Bremen, Germany. On March 4th, I will be at the ECR 2026 at Canon Medical Academy's workshops. Together with Professors Confianza and Professor Martinoli, we will be covering the MSK Day. We will dive into innovative insights and tips which you can use to optimize your daily practice. I hope to see you there. Bye-bye.
I am Dr. Michael Selner. On the following day, on Thursday, Dr. Murrens and Professor Correas and me are doing workshops on abdominal ultrasound, pancreatic ultrasound, liver ultrasound, and pediatric liver ultrasound.
Hi, I'm Luisa do Amaral, Product Marketing Coordinator at Canon. On Friday, join Dr. Perez, Prof. Lim, Prof. Fischer, and Prof. Le Corrollet at the Canon Medical Academy workshops, featuring men, women's health, and nerve imaging. Register on the link.